In this video, we will walk through how to write a Python program to generate password. Now start with Jupyter Notebook. Look, this is going to be very easy. Start with a new Python file. Import random to generate a random password. Password length. In this variable, we want to take the length of password user wants by taking an input from user, appearing a message, enter the length of password. Now declare a string having all the uppercase, lowercase, special characters and numbers. Okay. For generating a strong password, we have used special characters also. Now, declare a variable p is equals to this. We will talk after some time later. Join. Okay, just off this caps lock. Random sample from the sequence of S password length. This p is going to store the value given by join function, which is going to return us a random sample from these letters having a length specified by the user, which has been stored in password length, and separating these random letters with nothing. If you want to separate it with a space, you can write space, but it will not be useful in generating passwords. Let's try print p. We want a password of say 6 digits, and it is this. But having a space separated password is not okay, I think. So we will use without a separation. So here it is. We have generated a password, random password with Python with simple coding of just 2 or 3 lines. If you learn something new, like this video, subscribe this channel for such amazing and easy Python tutorial. Thank you.